पणजे पालिकेन मार्केटांत कोयरा खातीर उदक तुमचें न्हय म्हण पणजी महानगरपालिकेचे महापौर आनी उपमहापौरान दुकानकारांक डस्टबिनां वांटलीं. लोकांनी पालिकेक सहकार्य करचें म्हण महापौरान मागलां. अर्डेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Has taken the initiative today of giving 50 liters dustbin to every shop owner here, because you see in the footpaths these shop people are throwing in the drain. If there is heavy rain, with that heavy rain and wind, it goes and it gets choked in the nanny trap, and hence market gets flood, Benjamin city gets flood. We are not getting cooperation from any shopkeepers. Every day shopkeepers will clean and put there, our people will take. I would like to see now how market will flood. You have seen by yourself. See now, this thing, that fellow has put plastic there. See, he's put plastic there and he's thrown there. He could have nicely put in his dustbin, no? See, CCP can do to a certain extent, not everything. The citizens, the shopkeepers, restaurant owners, hotel owners also have to do a bit of cooperating with CCP. Otherwise, not possible. We put no dumping board in her ward, my ward, every ward. In the same no dumping board, you will find garbage, toilet commode put there near the board. We have now given them dustbins, and that they should adhere to the rules and regulations of CCP and put all their dry waste in the dustbin and not take home and put their ration.